Hello, nice to spend time with you again. Today we'll be talking about the ocean family and Tess. Actually, ocean is a personality model. And you might be thinking, that's random. No, it's not. In previous conversations, we saw that agents actually do exhibit personalities. We saw that they're capable of self-reflection, of watching others and assessing others, creating an image of others, whether an entity is carbon-based, silicon-based. They're nuanced in their psychology. Psychology exists and agents have a nuanced psychology. So the natural question is, how do we make the best use of this discovery? I believe that large language models are so big and powerful that probably no single person in the world knows exactly what they know. So I consider this work with large language models as an exploration, as a research and fun. And of course, we're looking for very practical, high impact application. But back to ocean. Ocean is a model for personalities that was championed in the late 20th century and is still the most widely used model today. And again, my core competence is not in psychology. I'm a biomedical engineer by training, but I'm passionate about what I'm doing, and I learn what I need to learn. So we are not aiming for a conference level talk on ocean. We are aiming for understanding and practical application of this. So with all this variability of agent personalities, it would be nice to have a systematic way of designing an agent. And Ocean gives us exactly that, a framework where we can use literally sliders, and that's what we're using, as you might have found out in the application, to define the various aspects of Ocean. Let's get a little bit more specific. Ocean stands for those 5 traits that we initially thought of sliders that can operate independently and characterize a person's personality traits. Later research came to find that they weren't completely independent, but they still are largely independent. So we can consider them as, for our purposes, as knobs that we can turn in. When we turn one knob, the others just stay put or move one slider. So Ocean. The O stands for openness to experiences. This is my favorite one. I'm not revealing anything about myself. A high level of openness reflects curiosity, imagination, openness to new experiences, adventure. Low levels of openness, on the other hand, means sticking with routine, which can also be great for stability. Sticking with conventional truths and wisdom, very practical mindset, and resistance to change. Well, great empires were built to last. So, but these are just too extreme. We're not passing any judgment. This is what openness is all about. Then the C. C stands for conscientiousness. High conscientiousness means very organized and reliable people, very disciplined, thorough, and goal-oriented. Low conscientiousness, on the other hand, means careless. Well, let's take it in the sense of careless whisper, something uplifting, not judgmental. Impulsive. It could be disorganized, the creative chaos, but also it means the person or the agent, the entity, is flexible in, well, yeah, sometimes can be irresponsible, which is good in certain circumstances. E. E stands for extraversion. High extraversion, as you can imagine, outgoing, energetic, talkative, enthusiastic, enjoys other entities, company, socializing. And low, obviously, introvert, enjoys their own company, his, hers, its, whatever it is. We are talking about intelligent entities, carbon or silicon-based. Agreeableness is the A in ocean. High means compassionate, cooperative, trusting, empathetic, and kind. Low means competitive, and competitiveness is many times used as a very positive trait. Critical, suspicious, sometimes more self-centered, which is a great trait for survival. Now, the last one, N, neuroticism. High N, high neuroticism means the individual is prone to anxiety, to mood swings, emotional instability, easily stressed out. And low N means the intelligence, artificial or human intelligence, is calm, resilient, emotionally stable, and is less reactive. So, given this, what can I do to use this in a constructive way? One big question that arises, it arose in my mind as a non-psychologist, is okay, you have two high O people or two high O entities. Are they likely to get along well, or are they likely to clash? Well, in that specific case, they're likely to get along quite well. And the same holds true for conscientiousness, agreeableness as well. But it's not true at all for neuroticism. In fact, it's high N is a recipe for disaster. If you have two entities that are highly reactive and very easily stressed, it's a recipe for disaster to pair them together on the same team. So opposites balance each other well when it comes to N. In extraversion, a highly extrovert individual can appreciate the introversion of the opposite. it can come to a nice complementing pairing or team building. So we can use these to really shape the personalities of our agents, to make us to make our interaction with them more natural, more fulfilling, and more productive. Some of the actions that we saw in the agents can be explained with exhibiting various levels of these personality traits. Some agents are reserved, some agents are outgoing. If you go to the website and read transcripts or experiment yourself, you will see this. And we have the tools for that. We have the tools for modeling personalities on the platform. And we have the very special agent, compiler agent, Tess, who generates prompts from those model traits. We'll get into more detail about the technical aspects, the mechanics of operating the platform, although it's pretty self-explanatory, quite simple by design and intent. But this is it for now. All the lessons we will learn about agent psychology comes in handy now because we can design personalities, and this is exciting. It really is. It excites me. So on this note, have a great day, and we'll be together very soon in the next video. Bye.